queen of the house, Chinky. Today was Sunday and Gattu, Chinky, Papa were still sleeping. But Mummy had to go out today. So she wakes up early and wakes up everyone else too.
What happened, Mummy? Why did you wake up us early?
Yes, today is Sunday. We were supposed to sleep till late today.
See, you all forgot that today is Sunday. So, I have to go to meet my friends and I will return tomorrow morning. Oh yes, Mummy. You told us last week only. But Mummy, what about our movie and pizza? What? Yes, Mummy. Today we all had planned to watch a movie and eat pizza together at home. Oh yes, I completely forgot this. But kids, it is important for me to go. I have promised my friends. Now Chinky, you listen to me carefully.
Mummy comes near Chinky and says to her,
What happened, Mummy? Chinky, today I am giving you a very important responsibility, and that is to handle the house. I trust only you. Consider it like this, that from now on until tomorrow, that is, for the entire 24 hours, you are the mom of the house. You will have to take care of everything.
Chinky gets very happy after listening to Mummy's words.
Surely? That means Papa and Gattu will have to agree to everything I say. Because I am the mom. Yes, Chinky beta. But you will have to handle your responsibilities well. Okay, Mummy.
Saying this, Mummy leaves the house. Gattu and Papa were still sleeping while sitting on the sofa. Seeing this, Chinky runs and goes to Mummy's room and comes out taking one of her dupattas.
Hey Chinky, what are you doing? Gattu, now I am mom till tomorrow morning and you both will have to listen to me.
Saying this, Chinky ties her dupatta on her waist in the same way as Mummy does. Then she says to Papa and Gattu,
Gattu, come on, you go and clean your room. And Papa, you clean the living room and your room. After getting up in the morning, we should clean the house first. Mummy also does this. Till then, I will go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast.
Oh, it seems Chinky is going to make both of us do a lot of work, Gattu.
And we will have to do it, Papa. Because Mummy has given her responsibility.
Papa and Gattu get up quickly and start doing the work as told by Chinky. In that time, Chinky goes to the kitchen and prepares her special sandwiches. With this, she also makes coffee for everyone. Oh wow, Chinky! You have prepared a very good breakfast.
And it feels even better to have breakfast after doing the work. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Gattu. Although I was thinking that even if Mummy has left, we can go ahead and still enjoy our pizza and movie plan. What? But how, Chinky? For that, you both will have to listen to everything I say.
Alright, Chinky, why not? But I feel that without Mummy, we will not be able to prepare everything. And I don't even know how to make a pizza.
Don't worry, Papa. Last time when Mummy made pizza, I was with her in the kitchen. You just helped me in using the oven and cutting vegetables.
Okay, I'll do that, Chinky.
And me, what do I have to do, Chinky? Gattu, when I and Papa will prepare the pizza, then you will have to prepare for the movie in the living room. Like putting the movie CD and putting mattresses on the floor under the sofa where we will sit and watch the movie. Okay, Chinky, done.
Then what? After having breakfast, all three of them get busy with their work. First, Papa goes to the market and buys all the ingredients for making pizza. After that, Chinky starts telling him everything.
Papa, first Mummy applies pizza sauce on this pizza bread.
Okay, I've applied it, Chinky.
Yes, now we have to put vegetables on it. And yes, paneer too. I like it very much.
Okay, Chinky. Now cheese?
Yes, and then we have to put it in the oven.
Okay, done.
And yes, Papa, Gattu only likes corn pizza. So we will have to make corn pizza separately for him. Exactly like this.
Yes, I'll get it ready right now. In this time, Gattu had made all the preparations in the living room. And Chinky had made popcorn along with the pizza. As soon as all the snacks are ready, Chinky and Papa bring them to the living room. And everyone sits on the mattress and starts enjoying the movie.
I wanted to watch this movie since a long time. By the way, this pizza is so yummy, just like Mummy's.
Yes, of course. Chinky has made it. It has to be good.
Thank you, Papa and Gattu.
Then Gattu, Chinky and Papa enjoy the movie together while eating the pizza. As soon as the movie ends, Papa says, "Now I'm feeling very sleepy. Now why don't we all go to sleep?" But Chinky quickly gets up and starts cleaning the popcorn fallen around the mattress.
No, Papa. First, we should clean the kitchen and living room. I am going to wash the dishes because we have a lot of dirty utensils lying in the kitchen. Till then, you both can remove these mattresses from the living room and clean the place.
Saying this, Chinky goes to wash the dishes in the kitchen. After this, she starts cleaning the entire kitchen. Here, Gattu and Papa have to clean as asked by Chinky.
Papa, Chinky has really become very responsible, just like Mummy.
Yes, Gattu. I felt very good after seeing this.
Yes, Papa.
That is when Chinky comes there.
All the work is done. But I am very tired. Mummy really works so hard. There is no one like her.
You said it absolutely right, Chinky. That there is no one like Mummy. But you are exactly like Mummy. Chinky feels very good after hearing this from Papa. When it is time to sleep at night, Gattu softly says to Chinky,
Chinky, I am not able to sleep. Mummy always used to tell us stories. I am missing her a lot. So what, Gattu? Today I will read out a story to you from this new story book of mine. Really, Chinky, will you read story for me? Thank you.
Then Chinky starts telling a story to Gattu. Hearing Chinky's voice, Papa also comes there and gets shocked after seeing this scene. Oh wow! What all is happening over here?
Shh! Papa, you also come and lie down with Gattu. I will tell the story to both of you, just like Mummy.
Then Papa calms down and lies down with Gattu.
So once there was a bear in a jungle. The bear became friends with a fairy who told the bear that he does not look bad at all. Rather, he looks very good.
After a while, Chinky sees that Papa and Gattu have gone to sleep. Then she also sleeps with them. In this way, Chinky becomes a mom for the entire 24 hours and fulfills her responsibilities well. But she also understands that becoming a mom is not a child's play.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.